Yes, people, welcome to a new video and choosing the ideal platform for artists to showcase their creativity and build an online presence. And that's what we're gonna cover, and we're gonna compare two platforms. We're gonna compare Wix and we're gonna compare Squarespace. And in this comparison, we cover the pros, we cover the cons, and we give you a clear conclusion what's best for your artist work, to show your artist work on what platform. Well, first, Wix, drag and drop builder. Wix is an intuitive drag and drop builder, is designed to empower users of all skill levels, making it easy for artists to create a visual appealing website without the need for coding. Design flexibility. Wix offers a wide range of templates as customization. Artists can easily showcase their portfolios, galleries, and a diverse app marketplace, providing additional functionalities and features that media feeds, online booking systems, and e-commerce capabilities. Budget-friendly options suitable for individual artists or small creative businesses. Well, the cons. Learning curve. While Wix is used learning curve for beginners. Scalability. While Wix is suitable for many art limitations compared to other platforms. Squarespace is renowned for its visually stunning and professionally designed templates, aesthetics, and showcase visual content effectively. All-in-one domain registration and design tools. This streamlined approach to e-commerce. Squarespace seamlessly integrates e-commerce capability, making it websites. 4. Responsive design. Squarespace templates are mobile responsive for reaching a broader audience, and this one is very mobile nowadays. Not many people are on desktops, optimized for mobile devices. Well, some cons. Template customization. Well, it's not as extensive as Wix. Artists who prefer more design. Pricing. Squarespace pricing can slightly higher compared to artists on a tight budget. Well, the conclusion. Choose Wix place and affordability. Wix is an excellent choice for our complex coding. Choose Squarespace if aesthetic templates, integrated e-commerce, and a streamlined all-in-one platform are your polished website with e-commerce capabilities. Ultimately, visual presences, technical comfort level, and both platforms offers solid solutions. So take the time to explore artistic needs. And we come to an end of this. Please leave a comment in the comment box below, and then we can discuss between if you want to subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.